This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Quinque in Ghoul Re. To begin, open your main game menu, typically by pressing the Escape key or the Start button on a controller. Then, navigate to the Character or Equipment section. This area displays all your currently equipped items. You will see your existing Quinque prominently featured among your other gear, ready for modification. This is your starting point for customizing your combat style. Once you are in the equipment screen, locate the specific slot where your Quinque is currently equipped. Highlight this item using your directional keys or analog stick, then press the designated interaction button, often labeled Select or Change. This action will open a comprehensive inventory display, showcasing every Quinque you have successfully obtained throughout your gameplay. Take your time to review each option available to you, considering its unique attributes and abilities. Carefully browse the list of available Quinques, observing their distinct stats, special attacks, and visual designs. Select the Quinque that best suits your desired playstyle or the challenges you are about to face. After making your choice, press the confirmation button, typically equip or confirm, to finalize the switch. A brief visual or auditory cue will usually indicate a successful change, and you should immediately see the new Quinque appear in your character's equipped slot, ready for action. Remember, each Quinque possesses unique attributes, affecting your attack power, range, and special abilities. Switching your Quinque can dramatically reshape your combat strategy, offering distinct advantages against different enemy types or bosses. Experiment with various options to discover the combinations that best complement your skills. This streamlined process, by accessing the equipment menu, is the only way to effectively change your active Quinque in Ghoul Re, ensuring your character is always prepared for the next challenge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.